Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm preparing a prawn pickle. Now this is something which you can make instantly and use, or you can store it up to 1 week in the refrigerator. This is super easy to prepare and there's no complications at all. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below, so do check it out. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and like, share and comment. This is my grandma's recipe and she was helping me throughout the video. That's her saying a hi to you guys. So the first step is to heat some water. Once it comes to a nice boil, we'll add the prawns to this. So I've got the prawns which I've cleaned and deveined, into which I've added turmeric, red chilli powder and salt. Now I'm going to rub this nicely into it. You can marinate this beforehand also if you wish to. Now let's add these prawns into the water. We'll allow this to cook until the water is evaporated. So make sure you don't pour too much water. So the water has evaporated nicely and the prawns are cooked. So let's bring the flame down and add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm adding gingelly oil to the pan along with some coconut oil. Now I'm adding turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt to taste, and then mixing it all once again. Now I'm going to add finely chopped green chilli, ginger and garlic. Mix that in as well. Now allow this to cook until the raw smell of the ginger, garlic and green chilli disappears and the oil starts separating. Now it's time to add vinegar to this. Mix the vinegar in as well and cook for a few more seconds. Here I've got mustard without the shell. It's crushed and powdered. You can get this in the supermarkets. This is used for pickling. So let's add this mustard into the prawns. Cook it for a few more minutes. And the pickle is ready to be served. So this is a super easy and delicious pickle. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with some new recipes. Until then, bye bye.